Joseph would like to know, how did you develop the foundational best practices and guidelines that trigger the coaching moments, and will those evolve over time?
Yeah, so two approaches that we combine. So when we work with a client, we take a qualitative and a quantitative approach. So we're able to look at the patterns of how people are speaking and calibrate the system based off of the top performers in that organization. So who are the individuals who are doing the best on the phone, and what are they systematically, how are they systematically speaking in a similar fashion? And then the other is that we go and we talk to the supervisors and the agents and the site leaders, and we ask them, what are you coaching on? What are the trends that you've seen? Because they're the experts on what works well in their business. And we're able to combine that sort of qualitative approach of the human experts from the sort of data science quantitative approach of the trends in the conversations to tailor the software and tailor the coaching for the appropriate context.
How does this, sorry, I lost the question, but essentially the question is, how does this work internationally, like in other cultures? Do you?
Yeah, it's a great question. So because we are measuring energy and pauses and inflection, out of the box, this works cross-culturally. So you can have the same team speaking English or Spanish, and you'll get notifications that pop up. Similar to calibrating for context, so a healthcare call versus a banking call. You can imagine things like Spanish language speakers have a much faster speaking cadence. So